Here's how to install roof rack crossbars on a Jeep Wagoneer 2021 and up with flush rails. Open the box and gather all the tools needed for the installation. Unlock the caps on all of the head units. Insert the head unit into each end of the aluminum profile. Remove the factory bolts. Then, place the metal bracket on top of the vehicle and begin finger tightening the bolts by hand. Do not fully tighten them yet. Now, place the head unit with the aluminum bars on top of the metal brackets. Once it is aligned, begin tightening the bolts evenly from side to side. Now, fully tighten the previously finger-tightened bolts that hold the metal brackets in place. Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned. Turn the key to the unlocked position. Insert the end cap, then turn the key back to the locked position to secure it in place. Your roof rack crossbars are now fully installed and ready to use. Before driving, make sure all bolts are fully tightened and the crossbars are secure.